Plant FAQs, Caladium Strawberry Star. Caladium Strawberry Star, a guide to the vibrant foliage favorite. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Caladium Strawberry Star, a houseplant that's as captivating as its name. This tropical beauty boasts stunning variegated foliage, making it a conversation starter in any room. What is a Caladium Strawberry Star? The Caladium Strawberry Star is a tuberous perennial, meaning it grows from underground tubers and returns year after year in warmer climates. USDA zones 10 to 12. It's prized for its heart-shaped leaves splashed with a vibrant mix of colors. Think soft pink speckles dancing across a light green base, with dark green veins adding a touch of drama. The overall effect evokes a sun-kissed strawberry, hence the name. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. Caladium Strawberry Star versus Cranberry Star. Caladium Cranberry Star, on the other hand, packs a bolder punch. Its leaves are a deeper pink, almost like a magenta, with a dramatic splatter of dark red all over. It feels more dramatic, a real statement piece. But here's the thing, this beauty is a bit of a diva. It sulks in anything but the shadiest corner, and forget about putting it outside. One brush with the afternoon sun, and the leaves start to crisp. So, it's all about finding the perfect spot for this one. Where does the Caladium Strawberry Star come from? Caladiums are native to the tropical rainforests of South America, thriving in the dappled sunlight filtering through the dense canopy. This explains their preference for indirect light and moist soil, conditions that mimic their natural habitat. How big does a Caladium Strawberry Star get? The Caladium Strawberry Star is a compact grower, typically reaching 12 to 18 inches tall and wide. Its mounding habit makes it ideal for containers, adding a pop of color to patios, balconies, or even indoors. Caladium Strawberry Star versus Caladium White Star. What's the difference? Both the Strawberry Star and White Star are members of the fancy leaf Caladium family. However, the White Star boasts a more prominent white base with splashes of pink, while the Strawberry Star features a lighter green background with a more even distribution of pink speckles. Is Caladium Strawberry Star easy to care for? The Caladium Strawberry Star is a relatively low-maintenance plant, perfect for busy plant parents. Here's what you need to know. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix with good aeration. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark can work well. Temperature. Aim for temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Humidity. Moderate humidity is ideal. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your Caladium Strawberry Star a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month, diluted to half strength. Does Caladium Strawberry Star flower? While the foliage is the main attraction, the Caladium Strawberry Star can occasionally produce small, inconspicuous flowers. However, most growers remove these to encourage more leaf growth. Yes, like most caladiums, the Strawberry Star is toxic if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. How do I propagate Caladium Strawberry Star? Propagating Caladium Strawberry Star is possible through tuber division in the spring. Carefully divide the tuber into sections, ensuring each piece has at least one growth point. Plant each section in its own pot and care for it as you would a mature plant. Does Caladium Strawberry Star go dormant? In colder climates, zones below 10, Caladium Strawberry Star goes dormant in the winter. The leaves will die back, and the tuber will rest underground. Stop watering and store the tuber in a cool, dark place with some ventilation. Come spring, resume watering and watch it sprout new growth. Where can I buy Caladium Strawberry Star? You can find Caladium Strawberry Star tubers or potted plants at online retailers, garden centers, and specialty plant stores. With its stunning variegated leaves and compact size, the Caladium Strawberry Star is a captivating addition to any indoor or outdoor space. By following these simple care tips, you can enjoy its vibrant beauty for years to come.